Although drinking tea has been associated with health benefits for centuries, only in recent years were its medicinal properties investigated and recognized scientifically. Tea is known for its amazing health benefits largely due to its high level of flavonoids, plant-derived antioxidants. Green tea is the best food source of a group called catechins. Following are some of the benefits of drinking green tea. Reduces risk for cancer. Studies have found an association between consuming green tea and a reduced risk for several cancers such as those of skin, breast, lung, colon, esophageal, and bladder. Turns out that this protection is offered as a result of the presence of catechins, which are more powerful than vitamin C and E in halting oxidative damage to cells. They appear to have other disease-fighting properties as well. Fights heart diseases. Green tea helps one to prevent heart diseases as well as stroke by lowering the levels of cholesterol in the blood. Most patients who have had a heart attack are recommended a cup of green tea every day because the tea prevents the cells from dying and speeds the recovery process of heart cells. Also, the antioxidants in green, black, and oolong teas can block the oxidation of LDL, bad cholesterol, increase HDL, good cholesterol, and improve artery function. Delays aging. Most beauty experts fashionably talk about the many anti-aging benefits that green tea has. Apparently, green tea has antioxidants that are referred to as polyphenols, which fight against free radicals, implying that drinking it will help you fight against aging and also promotes the skin's ability to stay elastic and strong for a couple of more years. Boosts weight loss. If you have a weight loss plan without any mention of green tea anywhere, you will take a lot of time to lose the fat you have been longing to. Green tea burns the fat and naturally boosts the rate of metabolism. In fact, drinking green tea can burn up to 70 calories in just 24 hours. Reduces risk of rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is a common concern among old people today. This it does by protecting the cartilage by blocking those enzymes that trigger destruction of the cartilage. Regular consumers of green tea will themselves to be still very strong even at 80 years of age. Healthy cells. Green tea contains antioxidants called catechins that fight against cell damage. Since green tea doesn't undergo too much processing which keep the catechins content intact. Each cup of green tea you have can be good for your cells. Diabetes. Another amazing health benefit that green tea offers is stable blood sugar level. Catechins present in green tea helps reduce cholesterol and blood pressure, therefore preventing or delaying diabetes. Healthy brain. Green tea can also be very good for your brain since it has been shown to help block the formation of plaques linked to Alzheimer's disease. Stress booster. A cup of green tea makes you feel relaxed. Green tea contains thiamine, an amino acid helps stimulate a calming effect. Sip a cup of green tea whenever you feel stressed. Immunity. Green tea can be your favorite and effective immune booster. Chemicals in green tea have been used to promote good health in so many ways. Therefore, swap your regular tea with green tea and see how it makes a difference to your overall health and well-being. If you're helpful, then please hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends and relatives. For suggestions or query, please do comment. If you have still not subscribed our channel, then please do it soon, so that you will be always updated with health-related information. Thanks for watching the video. We'll be back with another health-related videos. Goodbye.